Number one, Uliema has a strong fan base. Number two, you are there for the second time. For you to tell the viewers they need to do something. Voters need to do something. We are tired. Big Brother Mzansi, are they allowed to talk to viewers and give instruction on how they should vote? Is this allowed, Kodwa? To say voters must do something? Isn't it part of campaigning or de-campaigning someone? Because really what Uliema said, it is totally wrong. People are worried about Liema. She might get another strike. Because according to the rules of Big Brother Mzansi, guys, if a housemate on Big Brother Mzansi directly tells the viewers not to vote for a fellow housemate, it is generally considered as a breach of rules. You can get a strike or formally warning. Let's hope she will get a formally warning, guys. The housemate will receive a strike or a formally warning. Let's hope she will receive that formally warning, not another strike. Because already I think she has 2 strikes, guys. And people are saying, oh, what's Liema? Who do you think you are for telling us who to vote? Right now, people are voting for. People are saying now you gave us reason to vote for Thandeka, guys. Remember, she's coming there for the second time. As they are social media, guys, the people are calling out Liema to say no, Liema. Yes, I do understand Thandeka, she has a drama. Obviously, Thandeka need drama, guys. But she said on her direct section that she will avoid Thandeka, guys. The people are saying, hey, why are you not avoiding Thandeka? It's very hard to avoid Thandeka, guys. It's very hard. They are all the same. When it comes to Liema and Thandeka, they are all the same. Somebody went on to say, I hope Liema does not win the 2 million. She thinks she got it all figured out and she has the 2 million on the plate. So people are saying, now we are voting for Thandeka. You want Thandeka to be out of the house that we're going to show you on Sunday. People are saying, there's no difference between Liema and Thandeka. They all have main character syndrome. Maybe Big Brother need to do something. Instead of giving Liema a strike, maybe should lock them inside the house somewhere. They should stay there together for 3 days. I think that's the perfect punishment for both of the two. So anyway, guys, let's have the conversation. What do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, so like it, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care. First of all, I love you. Bye.